Hey y'all, it's Big Cash, and I'm gonna show y'all how to pluck that thick ass wig you be wearing with them thick ass baby hairs. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all today. So keep watching. Yeah, let's hurry up. Next clip. So all you gonna need is some tweezers, some water in the rat tail comb. Then you go part that motherfucker like the ocean. Wet that hole up a little bit and get to pluck, 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 pluck. I do the shark tooth method a little bit, but I don't like it too looking like somebody gonna bite you. It looks like y'all hairlines be ready to bite a motherfucker. So don't do the the fork method too much now. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Yeah, just a little bit. And that's how you want to hold y'all tweezers, y'all. And then you just keep parting, plucking, plucking, parting, plucking. And yeah, and once y'all get to that hairline, y'all see that? Y'all see that? We tired of that. We tired of that. Superman ass hairline, strong ass hairline. Girl, pluck that shit. So I didn't get this side that good, but yeah, that's how much hair should come out. This is what the fuck it should look like, and if it don't look like that, bitch, you ain't doing it.